We made our best medicine ball even better, with premium material and a textured surface for maximum control. Introducing Gopher's Evolution 2.0 medicine balls. Constructed with a highly textured surface, these premium medicine balls offer maximum grip, even with sweaty hands. Slightly raised, tacky panels enhance a user's grip and control for the ultimate medicine ball workout. Premium construction features reinforced seams that won't wear out, even after the most intense workouts. High-quality filling ensures the balls retain their shape and have consistent weight distribution. The oversized Evolution medicine balls are 14 inches in diameter and remain a consistent size across all weights. Evolution 2.0 medicine balls are available individually in a variety of weight increments, or in 6, 9, or 15 ball sets with durable mobile storage racks and ultra-fit medicine ball training charts. Our best medicine balls evolved into an even better version with premium material and texture for superior control. Evolution 2.0 medicine balls, only from Gopher.